So again, welcome back to this. As continuing the program, now we have to calculate the mean rating of all movie. So how we do that is using group by function. So it is all basics of the SQL. If you have done SQL, it will be easy to understand all this what I am doing. But if you don't know, then don't worry. I am just doing a small, nothing but a small method implementation. So you use the group by method, and we have to pass all elements on which we have to perform the grouping. So first of all, you have to write on which you are doing the grouping. So I am doing grouping on the title name, and for which we are doing for rating. So this is column, so rating. Then we have to perform mean method for the rating. Then we write, and for our convenience I am doing a small sorting, so it's not a big. Here I write sort, so it can be easy to see. Ascending, false, and then again the last method we have to repeat is head. So here you can see all it is being stored in data again. So here we have done completing the grouping of the title and rating. Now the next step is we have to calculate the count rating of all the movies. So how we do that? It is also again a small method, a group by, again group by. Again we have to same implement this. I'm a bit of lazy type of. I will. So here what you have to do is we need count. So just we have to change it count, and all are the same. Rest all are the same. Again, let's check is it done or not. How we can check is, okay, it says okay, it is saying truth. I don't know how I can't see the small change rating. So you can see now we have done the grouping of that. Now again next thing we have to create the data frame with rating count values. So how we do that? Again we have to create a rating, let's say rating equals to pd dot data frame method. And what does it take at argument is data dot again group by, then again title, and then again rating, not rating. And we are again taking the mean for that. Then ratings, let's say we can say the number of rating equals to pd data frames. Again the argument is data dot, why doesn't it show in group by, then the same, not the 90. And here we are taking the count, and at last as always we are performing this. And now let's print ratings. As you can see, now the result is something different which we want to see. So basically here is the average rating of the movie according to the number of ratings. So here are total, basically what we, how we can say is that the title says the title, it was whatever it is, sorry, and it is average rating is 2.33 and the number of rating is 9. Another movie is like 1-900, which have a 2.60 as average rating given by 5 user. So here we have successfully run this calculating the average, what we can say, it is calculating the average for the program. So again in the next tutorial we will see how to see the visualization graph and all for the same.